Will you investigate now these allegations that some of the people who spoke to Navi Pillay were intimidated?
Of course. No, we
will investigate.
Absolutely. I tell you that we will investigate. We have told us so very clearly, explicitly. And then we said, tell us, I mean, not a dozen instances, give us 2 or 3 instances so that we can get to the bottom of this. Not one word from her.
I think she actually said at the press conference, she named 2 or 3 cases of the people who were intimidated, contacted by security services.
Well, she has not informed us. We said categorically, please let us know.
So that means that you are not going to investigate because she hasn't actually told you officially?
No. We don't wish to be technical about it. If the details given are sufficiently specific and capable of investigation, we shall certainly investigate. It is very much in our interest to do so. Why must we give her access everywhere on the island if it is not our intention that she should see for herself? We don't have to give her access. But we did, and she acknowledges that. So how does it make sense for us to do that and then prevent her from meeting people? That is contradictory. So if it has happened, we would like to know about it, and certainly we will investigate.
And do you guarantee that, I'm sorry, I'm just...
No, that's all right.
Do you guarantee that no one will suffer consequences because they spoke to Navi Pillay?
Yes, certainly, absolutely. We do not intend to penalize anybody who spoke to Navi Pillay. They have every right to speak to her. She has every right to speak to people that she wants to meet. That was the whole idea. Otherwise, why give her that opportunity?